Hi everyone, here it is, the next version of Windows. It is officially released. Before it was just in an insider channel, now it is officially available to people. Now if you are doing a fresh install of Windows on the PC, there are ISOs. I will leave a link in the description. But then these will start to roll out to some people, later this year, a lot of people, or even next year. So it will be a gradual rollout, so people will receive the update at different times, but you can update using the official tools as well. So you can get your PC updated right now to the official build. There's no risks like in the insider build. It's just the official. Of course, it just came out. There might be a few things, but it is all official now, the final stuff, and people will be able to update it. Now I'm going to walk you through some of the new features right here in comparison to the last version of Windows 10 that we had before. So let's start off with some features. There is this new UI here, but first of all I want to show you some features. So first of all, if we go to File Explorer, and if we open up multiple windows like this, there is a snap layout right here. And so what you can do is choose one of these. So if you want something like this, you can go like that, and you can get it all snapped like that. Now if you have this on an external monitor, you unplug the monitor and you plug it back in, it will return to this, which is really nice. Now also, as far as features, we have some, like a new Microsoft Store. I don't have these updated yet because this is a fresh install, but we have a new Microsoft Store and it will have lots more apps in it. So if you haven't used the Microsoft Store before because of its limited apps, you really should start using it because it's got some great apps in there already, and there will be more coming soon. So I bet the most popular apps will soon be in the Microsoft Store, which will be really, really nice. Now also we have this Teams chat feature on the taskbar right here, and if you have Teams for work or school, you will not be able to do this, but home versions of Teams, you will be able to chat right from the taskbar. Now I don't have these signed in, of course, but you can do this right here. You can do your video calls, things like that. And also we have, starting with the UI, we have this redesigned lock screen with the time in the center like this, and then this is the login screen right here. And then we have the center taskbar. That's one of the big things, and the start menu. We have this brand new start menu. I think it looks a lot nicer. And we have this centered taskbar. Of course, you can align this to the left if you don't like it like this. So if you are coming from an earlier version of Windows and you want it, aligned to the left, you can also do that as well. Now down here we have this quick actions area where we have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you have Bluetooth on your PC, we have the brightness, volume. You can customize these to whatever you would like. We have like the battery level and things like that. So that is there. And then we have new notifications. So I have this notification right here. We also have a calendar that you can maximize like that. And so that is part of the new UI as well. We have this new search UI right here, and we have like the virtual desktops, and then we have widgets. And then also we have this redesigned File Explorer, and this is a UI thing, but it's also kind of a functionality thing. It's very easy to find what you're looking for now. So if you want a new file, you just go up here and create a folder or file right there, and then we have like cut, copy, paste, rename, share, delete, stuff like that here. And then we have the sort, the view, and other things in the miscellaneous area. I think it's a whole lot easier to navigate. And then we also have rounded corners on everything right like this. And we have some new icons like the recycle bin. That is a new icon, and we have lots of new icons. So we have a slightly larger taskbar. It's not as compact as before, but that is just, I guess, what we have for these. So we also have a UI that is a whole lot more touch friendly. Now in Windows 10, they kind of tried to make it touch friendly, but this is the first one that really feels, it doesn't feel like a tablet operating system, but it feels a lot more tablet friendly. Now, if we go right click, we see these context menus. This is all redesigned as well, and it's bigger if you are using a touch screen. There are lots of things in the UI, and I could keep going, but this is, a good place to start right here. This is what to expect if you are updating to these. We have also a lot of features that are designed to make you more productive. Now, I can't think of a whole lot right now, but these, there are lots of features. I'd recommend you update to these when it becomes available for you, because I think you'll really enjoy it. Another thing, as far as performance, don't worry about these slowing your computer down. It will likely actually make your computer faster. I found that this is faster than previous versions of Windows on the same computers. So this will not slow down your computer if you are worried about that. Now, one thing about the UI that I didn't mention yet is the new wallpapers. So we have these different themes right here. So we have a dark theme as well. If you prefer that, there is a dark theme in this new operating system. I think it looks very nice. And that is about it for this video. So when you get this build, so you will be getting this build in the coming months. And I think it will be a manual update. I don't think it will automatically update, but I guess we will see. And until next time, it's Fortnon Kiwi from Superuser Projectile. If you're new here and you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's Fortnon Kiwi.